7 techniques for worrying less and living more. Worrying is something that people carry with them daily, and this is normal to a certain extent. Sometimes, though, worry becomes an overarching theme to our days, and that's no fun. There are techniques that you can employ to actively reduce worry, but also minimize the effects of it. 1. Determine the source. When a worry continues to plague you, take your time to explore what that worry is, where it's coming from, and if there's anything you can do about it. Locating what is initiating your anxiety will allow you to start the process of removing it from your life. 2. Create space. Creating space in your day will allow you time to breathe between activities. Use this breathing time to reflect on where you are in your day, relax, and come back to the present moment. 3. Leave the little things. If your to-do list and your mind are getting bogged down in small worries, consider letting them go. You'll not be served by all the things that plague your mind. If you're stressing about the towels that need folding or the book that needs reading because everyone's reading it, then let those things go. They aren't significant enough to use up your mental bandwidth. 4. Find perspective. Sometimes worry becomes an overwhelming fog that surrounds us. When this happens, stop and examine every item that's causing you to suffer. Decide if it stems from something you can control, if it's necessary to your being, and if you can let it go or remove the worry entirely. Putting each item into perspective can allow you to resolve troublesome issues and allow the fog to lift. 5. Laugh it off. There are times in life where the worry cannot be solved or put into perspective. These are the moments where laughter is the best medicine. Laughter releases endorphins that'll leave you feeling relaxed and happy. Laughing at these heavy times may seem impossible, but there is humor in many difficult parts of life. And if you can't find the humor, search the internet for some stand-up comedy. 6. Socialize. Spending time with others, human or pet, can take your mind off your difficulties and give you someone to discuss them with. Sometimes sharing a burden is enough to provide you with insight. Yes, talking to your pet counts. Often what you need is a sounding board, not advice. 7. Relaxation techniques. There are many ways to employ relaxation: yoga, meditation, or physical exercise. These techniques get you out of your head and into your body, which will leave you with a better perspective of the situation. No matter your worry, consider trying out different techniques until you find one that works for you or for the concern that's currently plaguing you.